Hi, everyone. I'm Celine.
I'm Chris.
Just wanted to come on and talk to you about the Half Price Join Month this month. A great opportunity to start your own business for only $64, and you get a top selling warmer that retails for $66. Catalogs, testers, order forms, everything to get your business off the ground running. Great incentives from Sensi, great compensation plan, perfect for anybody that wants to make a little extra money or start their own business or even stay at home parents. I'm able to stay at home with my kids, and just by making my sales while I do my groceries, take my kids out, um, relaxing at home. They offer some really great incentives. Me and Chris won the 7 night Mediterranean cruise. So we're off to Spain, Italy, and France in June, all expenses paid. And they just released a new incentive for us for Mexico in January, all expenses paid. Um, so we're on our way to earning that one. Um, so they really give you a lot of opportunities to grow. There's lots of support. We're part of an amazing team with directors and our superstar directors, constant support, ideas to help you grow your business. Um, the compensation plan is great as you excel and start building your team. They reward you through a great pay. You have the opportunity to get lots of free product. There's lots of recognition. They give you sales awards, just general awards for accomplishing different tiers. It's definitely a great opportunity. I am so glad that I have decided to join Sensi, and I've been in this for just over a year now, and I've already promoted 4 different levels. So it's easy to climb the corporate ladder. It's a decision that I have never regretted. The only regret I have is that I wish I would have done this a heck of a lot sooner. It's been rewarding for our family. For our kids, we get our kids involved, and definitely something to think about. If you want more information, you can message either one of us. We're happy to help you. We have huge support system. We have a team of ladies of our own, and we provide lots of support to help grow your business, team meetings, anything, incentives, anything else that we can help you to grow. We're here to support you as well. So any questions, concerns, please message us. We're here to help you. Thank you.
Right.